two chopper, yeah, two 12 gauge bars,
Hey,
bananas,
I
banana.
still say that whatever rifle that is or that shotgun you got with that big ass long,
They
that
both 12
motherfucker
gauge.
is that motherfucker hard, boy. How many that magazine
19,
hold?
19, one in the head.
Have you ever let it go?
Now I was going to the country and shit, but shit, man, I got business and shit. But yeah, I won't let it go.
Man,
You
let
got
that
out here
joint go,
so
bro.
real. Oh, you
Is it
already know, man. Say
that
yeah, I'm gonna
magazine?
post
Did you buy that? Is
19.
that an aftermarket magazine?
Dog, that's what come with it. You can get. You
What's the
get
name of it?
it.
What brand is it?
All accessories up under MK 1911.
No, what
No,
brand is your
MK
what brand is your
1919.
shotgun?
It's an out.
What
You
brand is
say
your
what? What
shotgun?
is?
What brand is your shotgun?
Oh, Rock Island. Everything Rock Island. That's my Rock Island collection. That's why I got the 1911. That's a Rock Island GI. You know what I'm talking about? Then I got the rock. Oh, and you see the shout boat, the shout booty. That's a firearm. That's a 12 gauge, but it's a firearm. Now see, that's a rock island too. And that fit in my backpack. Yeah. So it's 12 gauge
Is it a
slug.
12?
It's a firearm.
So the one with the banana magazine, is that a 12 gauge?
Yeah, all them 12 gauge.
Okay.
And the one with the pump 12 gauge, that's the one come with the drum. I got a drum for that bad bitch. So shit, yeah. I got a drum for that bad bitch, and I got the banana. I got the Sam.
That's something that I don't have. I got one drum for my little Glock 43, but
Yeah,
that
I got a
Glock
drum for
40,
my Glock 22.
but
I
that's the
got a
only one
drum
I
for
got.
my
That's the only one I got. I got a 50-round drum
my
for that, but I ain't
Taurus
got no other drum.
bars. I got one for my Taurus. I already know they all BB guns bars.
No, I ain't got no BB guns. We can't have no kind of weapons in Ohio. All I got is paintball guns. Mine is
Okay,
paintball. So
you
I ain't got no
already know,
BBs.
man. Yeah, we just
If
look
you
like
got
this.
BBs, you can go to the feds.
Don't
All I got is paint. If the law is listening, all I got is paintball guns. I don't have
you
BB
ain't
guns,
loud, man.
much less
Say,
bullets.
we'll paint your ass up.
I'll paint you whatever color you want to be. I'll turn your ass whatever color you want to be, nigga.
We ain't gonna play with it. I'm gonna be real with you, man. Say, yeah, man. Say, I got some new shit coming,
He
man.
said
Yeah,
none
man.
chips on me.
For
What?
real, man. Hey, you hear me? Be the best. Bars. That's why I'm trying to tell them, man. Say, yeah, everybody pop out, man. We the best channel, man. No cap. Yeah, man. So I got some new shit coming. Yeah, I want to give me a 300. The next big bitch I want to get is the 300 blackout.
I want an AK, man. I ain't gonna lie.
I already said I want one of those, but for instance, the next one I want to get, that or Bushmaster. Ooh, I saw that motherfucker bully on that Bushmaster. That bitch about that big, bro.
Mhm.
Man, say the Bushmaster, man, that's a bad bitch too. Ooh, that's another caliber I gotta get though. So I'm thinking about that, man. Say before the ammo goes sky high. Right now, I want to get all that old. Yeah, I want to give me a bad big Bushmaster, man. I saw that motherfucker, man. I saw the bullet come out that bitch. Yo, you think this is an AK? Bitch, that's a Bush. Boom! Oh, shit!
Yeah. I
Yeah,
think I
so I'm
want me.
going to go big bitch.
I think I want me one of them Russian AKs, man.
Okay, yeah, with the knife on the point of that bitch, I yo, motherfucker, ass, and pick your ass up like,
When I run out of bullets, I juke the shit out of your ass like we in the joint, nigga.
you
Shank
know
your
what I'm saying?
ass.
And pick your ass up and shake your ass, bitch.
Get over here.
Okay.
Shank your ass. Man.
You already know, man, bro, man. Say, miss talking to you, my bro. No cap, man. Say,
Hey,
we.
your people there? Tell your people, your 49er people, I said what up. I forgot
She,
about them.
hey, 49ers, how you doing?
Tell her I said what up.
Bars. Let me see what you doing. Oh, my knees pop like a pistol.
You got some garbage on your wall, too. I don't know what to do.
Already tap in, man. Say, man, we the best, bro. We just chilling up, man. Here we gonna get this money.